Hello viewers, I hope you are all well. Welcome to my channel Study for Competitive. I am Shankar and now I am going to discuss the important current affairs of 17 August. If you don't subscribe my channel still now, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon. So, without wasting a little time, let's start. In this video, the topics related to national, international, sports, obituary and local will be discussed. So first we will discuss about national. The Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi has announced the One Sun, One World, One Grid OSOWOG plan. This will be a transnational electricity grid for supplying solar power across the globe. The draft plan is prepared by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. The One Sun, One World, One Grid will connect 140 countries through a common grid that will be used to transfer solar power. The vision behind the One Sun, One World, One Grid mantra is the sun never set. Next, the Union Minister of Youth and Sports Kiren Rijiju has launched Fit India Youth Club's nationwide initiative. It has been launched to promote fitness among the every citizen. This program will utilize the power of youth to create mass awareness the relevance of fitness across the nation. Next, Juan Antonio, a Spanish mountaineer who climbed a virgin peak in Spain, has decided to name the peak and its road after Ashish Chauhan, who is a former district magistrate of Uttarkashi and present additional secretary Civil Aviation Department in the state government of Uttarakhand. Next, recently Chandrayaan-2 has captured an image of crater on moon. It released by ISRO on 12 August. ISRO decides to name that crater after a famous Indian astrophysicist Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai is regarded as the father of Indian space program. Next, the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister C.N. Asanthanarayan announced that the state government is to build an industrial corridor between Mysuru and Bidar. This is being done to augment the development of commerce and industry in the state. Next, the Indian Railways is constructing world's tallest pier bridge in the state of Manipur. The bridge is 141 meters high. It is a part of the 111-kilometer long Jiribam to Pui Impal railway line project. The bridge has surpassed the record of 139 meters tall Mala Rezica Bridge in Montenegro, Europe. Next, India sent 30 tons of technical equipment and material to Mauritius. Mauritius is fighting to contain an oil spill that occurred in its pristine southeast coast. Moreover, India has deployed a 10-member Indian Coast Guard under Mission Sagar to tackle the situation of oil spill of Mauritius. Next, Indian Idol Season 11 finalist and Oscar-nominated playback singer Shahjahan Mujib became the first ever national brand ambassador of Aligarh Municipal Corporation for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan campaign at national and international level. Next, a team of researchers of Indian Institute of Science in Bengaluru, Karnataka, and Indian Space Research Organization ISRO developed a sustainable process for making brick-line structure named Space Brick on the surface of the moon. The process used the lunar soil, bacteria, and guar beans to make the Space Brick. Next, we will discuss about international. Malaysia has detected a strain, a new coronavirus which is 10 times more infectious. The mutation called DZ14G was earlier seen in other parts of the world. Dr. Anthony Fauci, top immunologist, has informed that the new mutation may also speed up the spread of COVID-19. Next, the United Kingdom launched £3 million of Innovation Challenge Fund in India. The funds were launched to support Indian scientists in industries and academia to tackle COVID-19 and the climate change. Next discussion topic is Olpechori, former Indian cricketer and Uttar Pradesh minister Chetan Chauhan passed away. He was honored with the Arjuna Award in 1981. Next, we will discuss about sports. Lewis Hamilton, Mercedes from Great Britain, has won the Formula One Spanish Grand Prix 2020 held at Circuit de Barcelona, Catalonia, Spain. Max Verstappen, Red Bull from Netherlands, finished in second position, and Valtteri Bottas, Mercedes from Finland, finished in third position. Next and last, we will discuss about our state, Tripura. On the occasion of 74th Independence Day, the Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Dev, announced 22 new programs. The major announcements among them are: a medical college will be set up at Ambassa. State government will provide different social pension to additional 30,000 people. Financial assistance will be provided to 50,000 Bangadars through 10,000 joint liability group under Mukhyamantri Bangadar Bhumihin Krishak Sahayata. 1 lakh small traders will be identified under Mukhyamantri Swanibhar Yojana. State government will introduce Right to Service Act for timely delivery of service. That is the end of our video. If you want PDF of this video, please go to my site www.studyforcompetitive.weebly.com. So, like my video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.